Hello everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here once again. We're continuing our daily analysis related to Cardano. It is 29th of August and we're located in a market which is still having a slow decrease, 1.27% for the crypto global market cap. Yet Cardano for the past 24 hours is down by 2.92. Compared to the space, it is most likely on averages. Looking at the altcoins, 2.76 for the for the Ethereum. And then you have all the other cryptos sitting around 2 or 3%, which is basically what makes it around the average sector. Therefore, the 15-minute candlestick representation sounds in the following way. When you have a highly volatile market, there's going to be a massive liquidity grabbing process going on, which is something that has happened during 26th and during 27th of August. Right afterwards, you're not going to see V-shaped recoveries. The liquidity is always being taken out. For example, we wanted to put together to share with you how many times the impulse Elliott wave is going to fail, which is something that I've represented here. We have the ABCDE failure once again, which is appearing at least 70 times of the situations. So you got your impulse movements until the last point, which is the E, right? So you got your A, B, C, D, E completed. Your A, B, C, D completed without the E side, without the E segment, which is not happening 70% of the times, basically. You're not going to get the complete impulse of the wave because that necessitates a strong breakout. So it didn't happen, and it doesn't happen most of the time. Like with the majority of the patterns, they do fail when they need to do the final move. This is where the manipulation and the scam comes in by the exchanges. So at this time here, you've been able to establish clearly a lower high compared to the C top, right? Compared to the C top, lower high. We have ended our possibility right there to form a reversal, to form a continuation, a pump. It was over. And then we started a process of a possibility of the reversal, which has been confirmed over there. That's where we confirmed the reversal. At that time, basically, there is a clear shorting of minimum 4% possibility. Retest of the double bottom structure. Currently you have a triple bottom representation on 42 cents related to Cardano. If you break below this, the sell-off is going to be significant once again. So right now Cardano surviving at these levels is so far a sign of a possible accumulation phase of a short term. Yeah, we cannot exclude for the moment the continuation of the pattern that we have started. So I would be very careful right now with the trading process, especially with Cardano, as the data that we have is insufficient in order for us to act accordingly. It's very important at the end of the day to do the right decisions in terms of the market and be able to have the right skills to read the charts, act accordingly to what does the data tells you, and have, of course, a comprehensive view around the indicators and the price action, which is something basically that I teach in my one-to-one coaching. But the idea is basically to have a really straightforward beginners type of analysis that we put out here for YouTube and have everyone understand the data of the market at a very, very familiar level. So this is what's happening with Cardano today. Obviously not in the worst situation, yet there are some failures out there that are appearing in most of the cases. The liquidity grabbing has been enforcing the failure, and then the continuation that is natural what's happening after failures. Sell-offs, of course. When the bulls are failing, you get sell-offs and you get to retest the liquidity zones down at the bottom of the structure. So that's fine, basically. That's really fine at the moment. For those of you that are enjoying my videos, feel free to like, subscribe. And then, for those of you looking for private education, check this video till the end. For those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in a field,
feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, intense and private, is working, is functioning. You can find out more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me of 15 minutes. As well, register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well. Through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how the commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.